Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Students, today we are going to learn possessive determiners. Contents of this video are: number 1, what are possessives or possessive determiners? Number 2, explanation of possessive determiners with examples. Number 3, there is going to be a practice exercise for you which would help you assess your understanding. That is homework for you. And number 4, answer key to the exercise of lecture 2. Students, please make sure to tap on the thumbs up button if you like the video. Do comment after watching the video because your suggestions help me tremendously in further improvement. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. So let's get started. Now, what are possessive determiners? Possessive determiners indicate possession of someone, something or some place. Possessive determiners हमें ये बताते हैं कि ये चीज किसको बिलोंग करती है, इसे कौन ओन कर रहा है, इसका मालिक कौन है. They use words such as my, your, our, his, her, its and their. And students, please see in its, it is ITS, its. It is a possessive determiner. Some students confuse it with IT apostrophe S. Students, mind it, it apostrophe S is the contracted form of it is. So, whenever you are using its as a possessive determiner, apostrophe shouldn't be there. Use of possessive determiners. We use possessive determiners to show who owns or possesses something. For example, my brother is a pilot. Whose brother? My brother. Our school produces excellent results every year. Number 3, your friend is absent today. Number 4, his books lie scattered in the house. Number 5, her hair are uncombed. 6, its cost is 1,000 rupees. Number 7, their flats are big and spacious. Now students, here I have drawn this table to explain you possessive determiners. You can see here are 3 columns. First one is for personal pronouns which are used as subjects in the sentence. Then the possessive adjective which tells who owns the thing, and then possessive pronouns. If your subject, that is personal pronoun, is I, then the possessive determiner used for I is my and the possessive pronoun is mine. I, my, mine. You, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. And note, its is used only as a possessive adjective and not as a possessive pronoun. Now students, homework time. Here is an exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with a possessive determiner. This is dash car. Now you are given in bracket possessive pronoun I. For I, which possessive determiner do you use? Which possessive adjective do you use? That you have to write in the blank. Number 2, is this dash pen? So you change this you into possessive adjective. Number 3, dash favorite color is pink. Now in bracket she is there. Now you have to use the possessive adjective for she here. This is dash bedroom. So the subject is he. Accordingly you provide the adjective. Number 5, wears dash jean. And the possessive pronoun here is we. So I hope you will be able to do it. Now students, one more exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable possessive determiner. So here you have 3 sentences and below each you can find 3 options. Out of 3, 1 is the correct one. So you have to choose the most appropriate option out of the 3. So please solve this exercise. And answers of this exercise will be available in my next video. Now students, here is the answer key to lecture 2. I hope you people would have solved the exercise of lecture 2. Please bring your notebooks and check your answers. Number 1, these are Tiffany's sunglasses. See, you can see this pointed hand, where the pointed hand is near. So there we have to use this or these according to the object, and if the pointed hand is far, then you have to use that or those there. Number 2, that is Mr. Powell's favorite tie. Number 3, this is a traditional skirt in our country. 4, are those green socks yours? 5, whose is this t-shirt? 6, I want to buy a pair of those trousers. 7, these shorts are suitable for swimming. 8, that shirt looks very old. Buy a new one. 9, this sweater keeps me warm in winter. 10, my daughter wants that pink and yellow dress. 11, Mr. Hunter wears these boots all day. 12, look, those mittens are really cool. 13, that elegant jacket is Joey's. 14, wear that cardigan before you go out. 15, take these trainers for the physical education lesson. 16, I'll buy this blouse for my mother. 17, whose are those blue gloves? 18, this hat looks funny. Try another one. 19, these jeans look perfect on you. 20, those shoes are too small for me. So students, thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Students, please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you very much.